Hey friends, ready to get empowered with us? If you're eyeing that Hola Prime account but need clarification about the minimum trading days, you're in for a revelation. Let's get straight into the details and clear up the confusion. We offer various account types, each with its unique set of rules, but today we're focusing on a crucial aspect, the minimum trading days. It's all about assessing your consistency in the market. Let's break it down, shall we? First of all, let's understand what is a trading day. A trading day refers to a day when at least one trade is executed, opening or closing a position, to participate in the market. For our two-step pro account, which comes with 2 evaluation rounds, the minimum trading days requirement is 2, and for our two-step prime account, the minimum trading days requirement is 3. It's the perfect way to test your skills and stay consistent. Now, let's talk about the one-step pro and prime accounts. Here, the minimum trading requirement is a swift 2 trading days. And there you have it, friends, a breakdown of the minimum trading days for different accounts. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and for more trading insights, make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.